So let's begin. So what we're going to do, we're going to begin by placing the ball in behind our head. So just get it comfortable behind your head. Rotate your palms up so your shoulders are rolled open. And you're going to think of the figure 8. You draw the figure 8 with the tip of your nose. So making it as big as you can. And this just works into all the tiny little neck muscles that have become tight throughout the day. And also it feels very relaxing and soothing. And then you want to switch and go in the opposite direction. Again, try and make the figure 8 as big as you can. And just bring your head back to center. Just imagine you've got a heavy right ear and let that right ear just drop towards the right shoulder. So you should feel a nice stretch up the left side of the neck. Keep that right shoulder nice and relaxed. Slowly roll your head to center. Imagine the left ear is heavy, letting it drop to the left shoulder. Keeping the right shoulder relaxed and rolled open. And close down your eyes if you wish, just to help with the relaxation and focusing on how this stretch feels. You should notice a nice stretch up the right side of the neck now. Slowly bring it back to center. So this time all you're going to do is you're going to tuck your chin towards the chest, push the skull down into the ball. So you're holding that tension, keep pushing the back of the skull down into the ball. So this is stretching up the back of the neck. And then just release. Just gently rock your head side to side. I'm going to do that once more just to stretch up the back of the neck. When you're ready, tuck the chin towards the chest and push this back of the skull into the ball. So you want to hold that tension there for a few moments. Keep pushing down and release. Again, just gently rock the head side to side as if you were saying no. So now we're going to come to our shoulders or our chest. So we tend to get rounded shoulders from being on the laptop too much or our gadgets these days. Just place the ball in between your shoulder blades. Now if you don't like your head falling back here, you could have a cushion or a stack of books just to rest your head on. Once again, we're going to open the palms towards the ceiling so that our shoulders are rolled open. You can have the soles of your feet flat on the floor, or you can have your legs straight. Just see how it feels. So this is just helping that to counteract that action of our shoulders being rolled in. This is helping to roll them out and roll our shoulder blades back and down. Stretching out the chest. So it's a great stretch to do after a day's work on the laptop. Again, you can close down the eyes, see how it feels. using your breath to release the tension. So don't hold your breath. If you hold your breath, the muscles become tighter, so you want to make sure that you're relaxing the muscles and releasing the tension. Take 2 more deep breaths here. Now we're going to keep everything as it is, apart from our arms. We're just going to raise our arms up and overhead and just let them fall wherever they will. So some may reach the floor, others may not, that's fine, just as long as you're getting the stretch into the ribs here and the upper chest. You should feel that as well in your shoulders, a good stretch. Slowly raise the arms back down, reach towards your toes, bring yourself up to sitting. So those are just a few stretches you can do to release neck and shoulder tension. I think it's so important when we are in the same position a lot of the time to counteract it by taking the shoulders back and releasing the neck tension. So if you find this video helpful, please do like, comment and subscribe, as it helps my channel grow, and I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you again soon. Enjoy the rest of your day or your evening. Bye.